In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app. Now hit Photos or Albums at the bottom. Hold one of your pictures you wish to delete and tap on Select All at the top right corner. To keep some of those photos, tap on them. Sorry, misclick. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!